Hello, hello. This is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, and we're at the Central Florida Fairgrounds in Orlando, West Colonial. And when you make that turn, you come into the main entrance of Pete Parish. That's the main entrance. That's the best way to come because you look at all this parking right here. So when you do park here, make sure that you leave yourself room to pull back off because some people would just park right in front of you. Okay, so this is all the parking. This is where we park, and you can see this area. And now we are going to go into the flea market. Okay, and this is us coming in, and this is the entrance that we come into right here. Okay, so I would not suggest you go where these cars are parked because it's hard to get out. Just park exactly where we showed you. That's the easiest way, and just walk across the street. Okay, and excuse the noise, but as we are coming in, this is the first place that we see the fruit trees right here. They have all type of fruit trees. How you doing? Okay, you have all type of fruit trees, as you can see. Custard apple.
Maybe I'll grab it now. Yeah, are they all
Kamito.
Yeah, the one in the front.
Is it like ghost pepper?
And they got different prices. I don't know what price is that because you have to actually ask them about the prices. But they got the star apples. Purple Kamito. And this is a bigger one right here. Sugar apple alone. And look right here. Look at those sugar apples on that tree.
Yeah, these have a nice protection.
You know, guava.
Yeah, I do, but
You see I have that big spot?
You good. To tell more people to come. My YouTube. That's the guava right there.
No, por eso.
I just told them. I'm just saying.
They have more. And if the plant dries out, it's
Okay, and this is the guy in charge.
that we don't have to water it. Like a shady area.
okay.
And you have some small sour
Do you
sauce.
mind if I give you the $10 when I come back?
Which one did you want?
This one. I'll take
Okay.
And we have some peppers.
I'll go put it over there for you.
Oh, do you want to bring it to my car?
I wouldn't leave it in your car. Are you leaving?
No, I'm going home for a minute.
Okay.
And then I'm coming back.
And the star apples. And that tree already has star apples. And I'm going to come right around. And this is a miracle berry. Look how thick that is. Look how thick that miracle berry. Look how thick that thing is down there. This is Logan. Yeah, I already had them in there. These are mango trees, berry mango, June plum, citrus, Madam Francis, Valencia Pride.
No. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Avocados. It's kind of close, so that's the reason why. I mean, it's a very small spot that I'm trying to walk in between, so it's kind of close. So this is where we come to get some of our fruit trees. The people are very nice and helpful. And let me go ahead and give you a pan out. Yeah, I got him in here and her in there. We should have brought one big one.
They're killing some over there. Over there, the same ones. They're really good.
Okay.
Sorry.
And these are some big mangoes right here. These are Kent mangoes. Those are huge.
Mango right there.
Those are $5. Yeah, $5. Can't. That's what it said. And this right here is if you want, they have some regular plants that you want to go to your backyard, and they also have some fruit trees if you want those to go in your backyard. Okay. So they sell peppers and different type of fruit trees. You can see these are Barbados cherry. These are the people who sell them. And you see the miwa. They got some mangoes back there. Maha Chinook.
CAC mango tree. What do they cost? 45, but we can go 40.
Yep, they have mangoes back there. A bunch of mango trees.
And we got
Citrus. Giving you a YouTube shout out so people could come.
okay, nice.
Okay,
Thank
yeah.
You.
And these are the people that sell them. They got some mints.
Cherry.
Mango. This for YouTube right here, so people could come see you.
All right, thank you.
Okay. So here we go. They got all kind of mango trees, and they out here every Saturday. You're out here on Sundays too? They out here every Saturday and Sunday.
People here in the corner.
Okay, and in the corners. So they said they're around the different corners too. Okay. Okay, so there you go, the Barbados cherries. There you go. So this is another pan out of their little spot. And this is what I mean by going to the flea markets and going to get some fruit trees. Okay? So some of their mango prices, you can work with them with their prices. It is a flea market. All right. All right, so this is still on that first lane, and we come to them, and they are very nice people, and they have all kind of fruits and vegetables. And again, when you come in the gate, this is right on the first lane. And they
got nice tree right there.
Right, okay. There you go, they got fruits.
We got two Alanta.
And, yep. And we have they got the fertilizer they also selling right here. We always buy the fertilizer. They're selling that. And that's a sapodilla back there.
Yeah, with fruit on it.
Wow. What type of sapodilla is that?
What type is that?
We got Alano. Papaya trees. We got sour sops, sugar apples.
Nice lemons today, all full of fruit.
Lemons.
See that?
So this is where you'll come. When you'll come to the Central Florida Flea Market, this is the first lane when you're coming down. And this is where you'll see all these fruits. And you got some persimmons. And you build a reputation and you come here, and they're here on Saturdays, right?
We're here Saturday, but they're open Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, so they're here. These fruit growers are here particularly on Saturdays, right here. But the Central Fair Gardens is open on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so this is another area that we come to for the fruit garden. And then we come here to get some fruits sometimes right here. And just this little, everybody's selling their little fruits. So we're going to go ahead and get some fruits right here. And I'll be back in a second. Okay, here we go. Okay, right here, this is it looks like the third lane. And this is just other people selling their trees also. So that's just to let you know how many different areas and lanes people are selling trees. Fruit trees, some are fruit trees, and some are trees for outside. Okay. So just a pan around. Yeah. Okay. As we coming up, this is the fourth lane of fruit trees right here. And I'm going to show y'all where you can get some containers. And here we go with the fruit trees. Okay, so as you can see, we have all types of fruit trees. Sugar apples. You see mangoes, right? You see June plums. And here we go These are the containers I'm telling you about. So these big ones right here, the 25 to 27 gallon, are $7. These 15 are, I think, $4. And these big ones right here, this 45 gallon, is $12. $12 for these 45 gallon. Okay, so those look pretty good, y'all. Look at these containers. Okay, right there. So this is a very good deal. And you can see the papaya trees they're selling. They're selling citrus trees. They're selling all type of fruit trees. So these are the other fruit tree growers that we go to see. And we're buying fruit trees on them cars. Look at all these different. They got East Indian mango, non-duck mine mango. See, they got all their mangoes. Barbados cherries, citrus, persimmons, Fuju, all of those, okay? Here we go. And we out here early. Main reason why we are out here early is because it gets a little crowded and we don't like to be out in too much heat, okay? We want to get on out here so I can get you this video right here. How you doing? It's for the YouTube, so you have more people coming. So, you know, as I'm recording them, I'm just letting them know. So I like to just be surprising people that I'm recording for YouTube and bring them some more customers. Here go some grapes. Check these grapes out. $12. Banana plants. Oregano and rosemary. And they have all type of vegetable fruit right here. Just doing this for YouTube so you have more customers come. Because I have a YouTube channel, so more customers will come. Okay? Yeah. So yeah. And she's sowing fertilizer also, and she got some lemongrass over here. And they are here Saturday and Sunday. They're here Saturday and Sunday. Very nice people. And I've brought in a lot of trees from them. And all my trees are doing very, very well. Okay? So here we go. So you can go ahead and see. Yeah, like I said, there you go, some sour sops. So I don't know the prices on all of these things, but you know, the more trees you get, they work with you. You know, they have sour sop like $35, $40. Of course, the smaller the container, the cheaper it is. Okay? So the good thing about sometimes these small containers yours is you can see stuff like this sour sop. Look how in that small container, you're going to get a good price, right? Versus go buy a bigger tree, a bigger container, and the tree's still the same size. So make sure you're mindful of that. Okay? So, yeah. To a close because these people are playing music in the background and I don't want to hear all of this, you know, what's going on. So just bringing you to the flea market so you can see where we buy our fruit trees. Have a blessed day. Goodbye. I'm just going to come back at you real quickly. These are where you see the little backyard gardeners and farmers, and you see his chickens up there, and you see he's trying to grow his little stuff, and you know, they're trying to make their little bit of money right here. So excuse this music and stuff in the background. I'm trying to out talk it. So yeah, they come out here and they trying to sell the stuff that they grow. Okay, so you got people trying to make a living any way they can. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave off that right now and go ahead and phase on out, and I'll be back at you with more videos. Have a peaceful day. Goodbye.